Hey, folks, it warmed up big time in the valley today. Still hot. Look at that. Rio Grande City at 97. Back down to 87 in McAllen and Edinburgh, and then a little cooler as you move eastward. That's the good thing about days like this. It gets hot, but it does cool off pretty quickly across the area. If you look at our low temperatures tonight, they're in the upper 60s, but that's it. Mainly clear skies early, but that's a patchy fog shows up later. And then look at tomorrow's highs. Back over 90 again in the west, 80s in the east. The island, if you're looking for just a nice, cool place tomorrow, South Padre about 75 degrees with some fog early and then again in the afternoon, probably a bit during the daytime. Some sunshine like today should turn out really nice. 74 is the normal high for the middle of February. That's the 30-year average. Tomorrow, we're 14 above that. We come a little closer to normal on Sunday, and then Monday we're below normal, and we're going to stay there for much of next week as cloudy skies build back into the region. Here's your satellite, and doesn't show much today, just patchy clouds out there. And overnight tonight, we'll see some low clouds and fog form, especially along the coast, but during the daytime tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies again, and with that, temperatures back up into the upper 80s and low 90s. A weak cool front comes in on Sunday, could trigger a couple of showers. I don't know that we ever clear out completely. I think there's still clouds around much of the day on Sunday, but still it's a cooler day with temperatures instead of in the upper 80s. It'll be in the upper 70s. And then look at Monday. The clouds really build back in. We go overcast, and there might be some light rain and drizzle around, although I don't think it's anything big. I think Monday's just a cloudy day, and really most of next week looks cloudy, and the rain chances stay low. I think there'll be some misty drizzle around, but for the most part, it's just overcast. I think the drizzle is just, here and there, but not widespread. So Saturday's dry. Sunday, maybe a shower with the front, and then it turns into that misty drizzle just every once in a while as we get into the middle of next week. Bigger picture across South Texas shows some clouds moving across the area, but not a whole lot of activity. It's cold when you get up to Oklahoma. Temperatures up there in the 20s. There's some ice. North of that, some snow. That's cold air that's pushing southward. Here's the front. Big change in temperatures because we're in the 80s down here, and they're in the 20s in Oklahoma City right now. But that front pushes southward to a point and then stops. Not going to get here. Upper level wind flow strong out of the southwest. So as fronts try to come down, they just can't make it. However, this Pacific front, not here tomorrow. Sunday, it works its way in our direction, maybe triggering a shower, and then slightly cooler temperatures move in. Not cold, not like they're seeing just to the north of us, but here we will cool off a little bit starting Monday. That'll probably be in the 60s every day next week instead of 80s like we're looking at now. So a little below average, but not dramatically so. But I think the big change for next week is the clouds come back, and they're here all week, and the misty drizzle will be with us all week. Wednesday looks like the coolest day of the bunch. At the coast, winds out of the southeast 5 to 15 with patchy fog. There's a marine fog advisory out. Light chop on the bay. UV is very high. The risk of rip currents remains low. Seas just 2 to 4 feet. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight calls for partly cloudy skies, patchy late fog, a low of 68. Then tomorrow we're back to 88. Partly sunny skies, a very warm afternoon. Southeasterly winds continue. So 88, then cooler on Sunday, not dramatically so, but in the 70s. Only in the 60s on Monday with just a little drizzle. Not a wet day, but you might pick up a little drizzle from time to time. And the same thing for Tuesday. Wednesday, the coolest of the bunch, and then we start coming back up again by the end of next week. That is your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.